Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about Boomcards, which is an interactive application. We will utilize it often throughout the semester in order to practice various topics. So after this video, you guys are going to download the app from the self-service center, and then you will log in and join your appropriate classroom. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how we will normally sign in after you have logged in for the first time, and also show you what different things Boomcards has to offer. So down here I have my Boomcards application, so I'm going to open that up. Once it is opened, you guys will see it gives you two options, either student sign-in or fast play. We will be utilizing this student sign-in, so you guys will click on that. Afterwards, it gives you a few different options in order to sign in. The easiest way for us to sign in is to sign in with Google. This way we don't have to memorize a username or a password. So you guys are going to click on sign in with Google, and then you are always going to sign in with your Rover Kids account. If you have your Rover Kids and other personal accounts on there, you need to make sure that you select the Rover Kids account when signing in. So we're going to go ahead and sign in and select our account. I have created a fake account to show you guys how to do so. After that, you guys will be brought to this screen, which is your home screen. So here you will be able to see your assignments, and then there are other settings as well. You can change your avatar and things like that. Down here where the assignments is the most important part, so this will show you anything that you guys need to do. So down here you will be able to click on them and then to utilize that in order to practice. So you guys can see it does give you points for how many Boomcards you have completed, so on and so forth. So let's go ahead and click on the deck that is assigned to us that you guys will complete after this, called Cognates in Spanish, or Los Cognados. So looking at this, you guys can see down at the bottom it gives you a few different options. So we have our skip button, next, or remember. So remember is something that you can utilize if you are completing this and you weren't too sure and you want extra practice. It'll pull the card back up. Otherwise, we are just going to hit next and go on. So when we utilize Boomcards, there are a variety of options. A lot of times it has a listening option, and you guys will see that by the sound icon, so that you guys can hear the word in Spanish, and then you'll have a few different options of what to do. So for this one, we are going to select the cognate, or the word that looks like the word that's given to us. So if I press the sound button,
León.
You guys can hear the word in Spanish. So we will utilize Boomcards for a lot of different things, mostly for listening activities in order to help you guys become accustomed to the language, but it's also interactive then, in which you will then choose the correct answer. If you choose the incorrect answer, then it'll tell you that. So just to show you guys, if I chose a lemon, it's gonna say whoops, and then we know that's not the correct answer. Same thing there, if I chose the moon, León is lion, so that would be our correct answer, and then it'll allow you to move on. So that is basically Boomcards. Again, we will utilize it throughout the entire semester for various topics. So it is an online interactive app that we will use for listening so that you guys will learn the language.